And also, we talked about, right? We have a one-step procedure and two-step procedure, right? In one-step procedure, it needs to be trigger few movement types, and two-step procedure also it is triggering different movement types, right? So I will show you that the same configuration here. For we need to assign. Let me show you this. Okay, here we need to assign supplying plant, receiving plant, and what's the document type. And if it is a one-step method, then you need to check it. If you uncheck it, it is called the system will be considered it as two-step procedure. Okay. Let me take anyone. What is? Let me take anyone and click on copy. Let me take supplying plant, right? Yes. DPL1 is the supplying plant. DPL2 is the receiving plant, and document type UB. Let me take it is a one-step procedure. If, for example, if you want to choose a two-step procedure, then you need to uncheck this one step. Okay, then the system will be considered as two-step procedure. Go back now. So we done the configuration part completely. Let us recap what are the configuration till now we done. First, we define the sales organization, distribution channel, division, and then we need to assign it into one sales area. So all these needs to be set up as a sales area. And then we need to assign sales organization, distribution channel, and sales organization division. After that, we need to assign sales organization division to supplying and receiving plants, and also sales organization needs to be assigned to the company code. This is the configuration we done from ST prospect to. Okay. From this point. After that, we define one metal master data. In metal master data, what are the things we do? We need to have maintain sales view as well. We need to maintain sales views. Till now, we didn't maintain any sales views, right? Sales views. Okay. We need to maintain sales views, and also we need to create in supplying plant, and it needs to be extended to the receiving plant as well. The material should be available in both supplying plant and receiving plant. After that, we need to define one vendor master record, and we need to assign the supplying plant to the vendor master data, right? Because supplying plant is a vendor, right? And receiving plant is a customer. That's the reason why we need to assign supplying plant to the vendor master data, and receiving plant, customer needs to be assigned to the receiving plant. Okay, here see, we assign the supplying plant in vendor master record. After that, in order to assign customer to the receiving plant, we need to create a customer, right? So that is the reason why we created customer master record for the transaction XT01. See, receiving plant name given here, name as receiving plant. And here under sales area data, under shipping tab, we must assign shipping condition 01. Okay. After that, coming to configuration, they have a setup for stock transport order, because this procedure is with stock transport order. We are defining stock transfer with stock transport order. So here we need to assign sales organization data to supplying plant, and for receiving plant, we need to assign customer number as well as sales area data. After that, we need to assign what is the stock transport order document that we are using. The standard document type is UB, and we need to assign it to the supplying plant as well as delivery and checking route. After that, we need to mention like whether we are using one-step procedure, two-step procedure for respect to supplying plant and receiving plant. Okay. If you are using one-step procedure, then you need to check this. Otherwise, if you are using two-step method, you need to uncheck this checkbox. Okay. This is the configuration we do. After that, shipping point determination in purchase order. If the goods is shipping from supplying plant, it needs to have some shipping point determination. For that's the reason why we need to define one shipping point for the supplying plant. I named as the same plant code name as DPL1 for the shipping point. If you want to change, maintain any other code, you can maintain here, like DSCP shipping, Delphi shipping point, like that. After that, we need to assign the shipping point to the supplying plant. So I assign shipping point to the supplying plant here. And how the shipping point will be determined based on some combination maintained, right? That is the reason why in customer master data, we defined shipping condition as 01, and we maintained 0001 is the loading group in metal master data. And what is the supplying plant? For which supplying plant this shipping point needs to be determined, we need to assign it here. Which shipping point needs to be determined, we need to assign it to that particular plant as well. This is the combination for determination of, this is the configuration for determination of shipping point for the supplying plant. Now, process. Now we do the stock transport order and we do the process. What is the creation for purchase order ME21? Let me reach on that. Seven. Okay, let me go to ME21 to create the stock transport. See, till now we are using, see here I maintained some default settings here. That's the reason why the system is automatically taken UB. See, if you go for See, if you go for a regular order, regular standard order, you can see the document type is vendor, right? But if you change it to the UB, stock transport order, UB, see here the document, based on the document type, the screen layout will be changed, right? So that is the reason of for different document types having the different functionality of screen layout in the purchase order. So UB is the standard document type used for stock transport order. So here we need to maintain the supplying plant. What is the supplying plant? DPL1 is the supplying plant. Okay. And then here we need to give the purchasing organization. DLBO is a purchasing organization. DPG. And what is our company code? DMart. Okay. Then what is the material? This is the material number. We already take it. Yes. And also let me order 1,000 quantity of this material. What is the receiving plant? DPL2. Let's assume the storage location is S21. Okay, enter. See here, one shipping tab was appeared automatically here. Till now, whenever we create a regular order, the shipping tab was not determined. Why it is now determined? Because we done a shipping determination configuration in the backend system. So this is the delivery type, shipping point is DPL1. This is the combination, shipping conditions, loading group. These are things we maintained in the backend system. That is the reason why the shipping tab has been determined here. So now we can check. Okay. Now we are going to do the let us take a screenshot of it. What's this window? Need to maintain document type. This is the supplying plant. And see here, Intra. Okay. Create purchase order. Stock transport order. Okay. And then let me save this. So we created one purchase order STO. So let me open another session. After that, we need to create delivery. Outbound delivery. So okay. In order to create outbound delivery, we must have a. See, we created a material, right? We created a new material, but if you want to transfer from supplying plant, it must have some stock, right? So let me maintain some stock over in supplying plant. go to MMBE. If you want to see the stock overview of this particular material, it will be 0 because we created new material, right? On order stock worth 1000 because we created one STO processor, right? That is the reason why it is showing as on order stock, but till now it doesn't have any stock over here. Let me go and post some stock, initial stock entry. What is the momentum we used to post initial stock entry? Anybody? $561. Let me give 5,000 quantity. Supplying plant, right? We need to maintain supplying plant. Yes. Okay. Click on check. Opinion is good. Let me post it. So stock was posted. Let me check in MMBE. Let me refresh it. Okay. In supplying plant, it was 5,000 stock available. Then you can. Let me. VL10D. Go to VL10D to create delivery for the stock transport order. Create outbound delivery. Outbound means where we already created one inbound delivery. If you remember, we are receiving, right? Now we are supplying. That's the reason why we need to create an outbound delivery. Okay. So create outbound delivery. The T code is T code VL10D. Okay. This is a VL10D purchase order. Here we need to maintain the purchase order number. What is the purchase order number? This is the purchase order, right? So maintain here is purchase order. Here we need to maintain the shipping point. What is the shipping point? DPL1 is the shipping point. Maintain here. Okay. Go and execute. Oh. Let me take a screenshot of it. We need to give the shipping point number, code, and purchase order number. Then click on execute. Enter shipping point. And STO number, stock transport order number, and then click on execute. Execute it. See, click this checkbox, purchase order, and click on background. Click create delivery in background. The delivery will be created in background. Let me take the screenshot. We need to check this and click on background. Okay. Click on background. Now delivery was created. Okay. If you want to see the delivery number, select this and go to log for delivery. Take the screenshot as well. If you want to see the delivery number, go to this log for delivery. Then select this and click on documents. This is the delivery number. You can see here, this is the delivery number created. If you want to see it in purchase order, see, go to purchase order history. Here, the purchase document number will be updated. Okay. This is a document number. Okay. Now let us go for VL0, VL32, VL02. See, change outbound delivery. Go to change outbound delivery. Okay. Copy this. So till now we created delivery. Now we need to do the post goods issue. In previously we done post goods receipt, right? Because we are receiving the stock. Now we are sending the stock. So post goods issue. The code is VL02N. See, either we can create a VL01 N to create outbound delivery as well, but with reference purchase order we are creating, right? That's the reason why we need to go for VL10B. Okay, otherwise we also can create delivery with VL01N. For stock transport order, we can create VA from VL10B. And okay, here we need to maintain the delivery number and click on enter. Okay, see delivery quantity. What is the next step we do? We need to put the picking quantity as well, right? See picked quantity, how much? 1000, right? We need to maintain here 1000, and also we need to maintain the issuing storage location. From which storage location you are issuing this? Maintain here D. So yes, one, right? Yes, one. Okay, enter. So now, and let me check, is there any incompleteness available? So there is no, the document is good now. There is no errors. So here what we need to do, we need to maintain the picked quantity and issuing storage location, and then click on post goods issue. See here, it's a one-step method. Whenever you click on post goods issue, the goods receipt will be done automatically. 101 also be done automatically. Okay, that is the difference between one step and two step. If you are using two-step method, if you done post goods issue, then you need to do the goods receipt for receiving plant as well. Okay, but here we are using one-step method, right? And also, if you want to see the goods movement for this, go to line item, double click on line item, and if you go for administration data, you can see here 647 is the moment time. 647 is the moment type is triggering here for one step method. Okay, one step method, 647 is the moment type is triggering. We need to maintain it here. You take this, maintain here, because we are choosing post-course issue, right? So when you do post-course issue, you go back to here, click on post-course issue. Whenever I click on this post-course issue, goods receipt 101 document will be posted automatically. I think no need to go from here. Here you can see goods moment. Let me take this screenshot. Moment tag is hitting 647. Okay. Let me click on post-course issue. Delivery has been saved. Now, if you go and see the purchase order history, 101 moment up has been completed. See, if you want to check in purchase order, let me refresh it. And see, we triggered 647, but 101 automatically triggered. Because why? Because it's a one-step method. If you do post-goods issue, goods issue will be done automatically. Okay, and also let me show you the MMB overview. You can see 1000 was updated to receiving plan. Process flow. Let me give one step method. Okay, say one step method. If you want to do for two-step method, let me do two-step method as well. If you want to see the process flow, how it is working, let me do two-step method as well. What is the two-step method configuration we need to do? What is the configuration? If you want two-step method, then we need to uncheck that one-step checkbox, right? Go to materials management, purchasing, and go to purchase order. Go to stock transport order. And here you can see this tab. This is supplying plan DPL1. Yeah, here I'm uncheck this. I need to uncheck this step so that the system is considered it is a two-step procedure. Now, let me create a purchase order again. don't want to mention again the transactions. You already know the transaction codes, right? Previously we done. So let me create directly. What is supplying plan DP11 and purchasing org material. Let me give now this time I give 500 quantity. Assume can and resident storage location. Okay. Tab as state remain. Now upon save. Now, if you go to MB, the stock will be updated. If you go for and check, honor stock will be 500 because we ordered 500. Now let us go and do the delivery. VL10D. Okay. What is the purchase order number? Pay right now. We need to maintain here. Also, supplying plant. Here delivery. Outbound delivery. It is outbound delivery, right? So I'll take a screenshot of it. On execute. And we need to select it and click on background. Then the log will be triggered and delivery will be created. And we want to see the which delivery was created. Documents. It will show you the document number. If you want to see from purchase order also, in purchase order history, we can see it. And then what is the next step? Post goods issue. We already know the post goods issue transaction VL02N, right? And let me refresh this. Okay. And one more thing I want to tell you, like honor stock was 500, right? Let me go and do the post goods issue. Is the purchase order history command. This is the number, right? Let me copy it. Here, 500 quantity. Now, need to maintain the quantity as 500, and also we need to maintain the issue storage location. Just one more. And let me take this screenshot. And issue and storage location. If you see the moment type, it is not hit the 647 again. 641. See, moment type was changed for two-step method. Let me take this screenshot as well. Okay, let me do the post course issue. So I have done the post course issue. So if you see in purchase order history, it is not updated with 101. Only 641 moment of only updated, only post goods issue, because it's a two-step method. Let me show you that. See, goods it was not done for supplying plan. If you see here, the honor stalker will be disappeared. Sorry, okay. It is showing some status, right? So let me show you that status. Select this. Okay, click on details. Okay, so we will see it later. Okay, let us do 101 now. 641 was moment I was triggered. It's a two-step method, right? So now we are going to do the goes it now. What is the transaction? We do goes receipt against outbound delivery. What is the outbound delivery number? This is the number. Okay. G code MI0. Here we need to maintain the outbound delivery number. Goes receipt, outbound delivery number, and moment of 101. Hello, Hazir. Are you able to hear my voice? Yeah, we are doing the course receipt, right? So in order to do the course receipt against outbound delivery, we need to maintain the transactions as goods receipt, and here reference document as outbound delivery, and we need to maintain the outbound delivery number here, and moment type is 101. Now click on enter. Okay, the relevant data will be pulled from the outbound delivery. Now let me check this item okay button. Click on check. Okay, now the item is good. Let me take the screenshot. And post. Now the goods receipt was done. If you refresh it here, before refreshing it, let me take a screenshot because I need to update in course issue. Okay, only 641 is the momentum triggered. So after goods receipt, then only it will be updated with 101. Okay, now we can see the stock will be updated to the same plant. See, 1500. Supplying plant 3500. This is how we do the goods receipt process. I mean, this is how we do the two-step procedure and one-step procedure. Do you understand? And also one more thing here. We are doing MyGo, right? Here.
Yeah.
Here we are doing MyGo, right? If you maintain stock transport order confirmation controls as something like shipping or inbound delivery or something, then we can do from VL02 itself the option called post goods receipt. Okay. After goods issue, we can do post goods receipt as well. Okay, you already know about the confirmation control key, right? Control. Okay.
So,
do you understand the process? Is it? Do you have any doubts regarding this?
No, yeah. Okay, bro.